Hey guys, it's my first time to see this tree. Oh, it has a flower down there, and then if you would look, ang laki niya pala. Oh my God, look at that! It's my first time to see this. Do we call it flower or like tree or I don't know? Amazing. Ayan oh, amazing oh. Wala lang, na-amaze lang po talaga ako guys. I don't know how it smells like. Ah, smells like utot. It smells like utot. Ang sakya ni nga plant, no? Umani siya guys oh. Lang. Para siyang tambis nga, I don't know. Di man po siya, wala man po siya. Ay, wait. What's this? What's that? What's this? Makain ni guys. Makain ni guys. Mahilo ni guys. Kita ni guys. Awa, awa, awa. Look. Naka-amaze. Sa mga nakabalog, unsa ni na plan, please comment down below. Ora to.